Indus Valley Civilization. Indus civilization, also called Indus Valley Civilization or Harrapan civilization, the earliest known urban culture of the Indian subcontinent. The nuclear dates of the civilization appear to be about 2500 to 1700 BCE, though the southern sites may have lasted later into the second millennium BCE. Among the world's three earliest civilizations, the other two are those of Mesopotamia and Egypt. The Indus civilization was the most extensive. The civilization was first identified in 1921 at Harappa in the Punjab region, and then in 1922 at the Mohenjo-daro near the Indus River in the Sindh region. Both sites are in present-day Pakistan, in Punjab and Sindh provinces, respectively. The ruins of Mohenjo-daro were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1980. The Indus civilization is known to have consisted of two large cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and more than 100 towns and villages, often of relatively small size. The two cities were each perhaps originally about 1 mile square in overall dimensions, and their outstanding magnitude suggests political centralization, either in two large states or in a single great empire with alternative capitals, a practice having analogies in Indian history. It is also possible that Harappa succeeded Mohenjo-daro, which is known to have been devastated more than once by exceptional floods. The population was estimated to be 23,500 to 35,000 in Harappa and 35,000 to 41,250 in Mohenjo-daro. The southern region of the civilization on the Kathiawar Peninsula and beyond appears to be of later origin than the major Indus sites. Indus civilization seals, perhaps the best known artifacts of the Indus civilization, are a number of small seals. The seals were generally cut from steatite soapstone and were carved in intaglio or incised with a copper boring cutting tool. The great majority of seals show a humpless unicorn or bull in profile, while others show the Indian humped bull, elephant, bison, rhinoceros or tiger. Copper and bronze were the principal metals used for making tools and implements. These include flat, oblong axes, chisels, knives, spears, arrowheads of a kind that was evidently exported to neighboring hunting tribes, small saws and razors. All these could be made by simple casting, chiseling and hammering. Bronze is less common than copper, and it is notably rarer in the lower levels. Other metals used were gold, silver, and lead. The latter was employed occasionally for making small vases and such objects as plumb bobs. Silver is relatively more common than gold, and more than a few vessels are known, generally in forms similar to copper and bronze examples.